heard the lead. We are green for phase 1. Lower the arm to 20 meters and hold position. Crane 3, you are clear for descent. Maintain speed at 10 meters per minute.
Roger that. Descending.
We're showing maximum strain on line 3.
Acknowledged. Increasing power by 5%.
The tension is exceeding limits on gauge 4. Adjust the main valve.
Working on it. It's coming back down now.
The deflection on this axle is beyond tolerance.
And look at the stress fractures here on the rail. This entire assembly is compromised.
Stability is within parameters and the primary lines are clear, but look at this section, the steel is compromised.
Confirmed. Documenting the coordinates and severity now.
Start the winch, slowly. Tension is good, keep coming back. Watch the clearance on the right side.
All green on the multimeter. The resistance is within tolerance.
Excellent. The upgrade is complete.
The RPMs are stabilizing nicely. Look at the emissions readout.
All green, right within the optimal range. We did it.
Check the telemetry on the rear axle stability.
Readings are stable within tolerance. We did it. It's stable.
Perfect run. All parameters green.